Hello, I'm John, the creator of Speak British English. In this video, you're going to learn how to pronounce this word like a British native. You're also going to learn how you can get a month of free access to my online pronunciation school. Listen as I demonstrate. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. As you can hear, this word has two syllables and the stress is on the first syllable. That means that the first syllable is pronounced high and the second syllable is pronounced low. Listen again. This time I'll demonstrate the wrong way and the right way. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. Notice that for the stressed first syllable, I use one stable high note. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. The vowel sound in the first syllable is the diphthong I. Here are some other words that use this sound. Sigh, wise, life, bike. If you listen carefully, you'll notice that for the first two words, I pronounce the diphthong long, and for the second two words, I pronounce it short. Listen again. Sigh, wise, life, bike. The reason that the diphthong is short in the second two words is that it's followed by an unvoiced consonant sound. In the first two words, the diphthong is followed by no consonant or by a voiced consonant, and so it's pronounced long. Here are some more examples. Time, while, mice, hype. In LITECOIN, the diphthong is followed by an unvoiced consonant sound, the sound t, and so it's pronounced short. Listen again. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. If you listen carefully, you'll notice that I'm not actually making a t sound. Instead, I'm doing a glottal stop. That simply means that I'm tensing the muscles in my throat. We actually do this whenever the t consonant comes at the end of a syllable. Here are some more examples. Witness, Rottweiler, hat stand. If you need to be especially clear, then you can use a t sound. However, this is not normal in everyday speech. Listen as I demonstrate. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. Notice that when I do the glottal stop, I keep the front of my tongue at the bottom of my mouth. It is not necessary for me to lift the front of my tongue. Watch again. This time I'll demonstrate very slowly. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. In the second syllable is another diphthong, the sound oi. Oi, oi. Just like I, this diphthong is usually pronounced long, but is compressed before an unvoiced consonant sound. Compare the following words. Void, voice, void, voice. In LITECOIN, the diphthong oi is pronounced long because it's followed by the voiced consonant sound n. Listen again and notice the difference in length between the two diphthongs. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. The consonant sound at the beginning of the second syllable is k. This is an aspirated sound, meaning you need to exhale strongly. Let me demonstrate. K, coin, LITECOIN. If you listen carefully, you'll notice that it's like I'm making a k sound and then saying hoin. Listen again. This time I'll exaggerate. K, hoin, coin, LITECOIN. The remaining two consonants are l at the beginning and n at the end. L, L, As you can see, for L, the tip of my tongue is touching my upper lip. Watch again and notice that I bring my tongue to my lip, not my lip to my tongue. L, 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 L. If you find this too difficult, you can position your tongue behind your upper teeth. But for the best technique, you should practice the way I have just demonstrated. Watch as I compare the two ways. L, 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 L. For N, you should put the tip of your tongue behind your upper teeth. Make sure that you use the tip of your tongue and not the back of your tongue to make this sound. Watch as I compare the right way with the wrong way. LITECOIN, LITECOIN. Here are some phrases using LITECOIN. I bought some LITECOIN. LITECOIN is a cryptocurrency. I bought some LITECOIN. LITECOIN is a cryptocurrency. To learn more about the sounds, concepts and techniques covered in this video, follow the link in the description to my online school. I currently have 4 courses covering all aspects of British pronunciation, with video lectures, quizzes, usage examples, vocal exercises and listening exercises. You can try all the courses for free, and full membership is available for only £15.97 a month. Use coupon code YouTube to get your first month free. Thanks for watching.